In this video, we're going to learn the rodeo on a spinning pole. Today, we are going to work on the first part of our 5th series, which comprise of the rodeo, the aerial rodeo, the inside knee grip, and a nice floor exotic move that I will teach you with the full combo on the part 3. This is a very nice combo to start mastering the spinning mode. So let's take a look at the whole sequence. Now we'll concentrate on the rodeo and the aerial rodeo. So let's take a look at the segment we'll be working on right now. So let's do the rodeo on the spin pole right now. I'm going to take my hand up on the pole, and what I really want right here is to use that shoulder blade to press down. So I want to press down with my shoulder blade. It's just like you're taking the pole and you're pushing it down into the floor. So I'm going to press down. You can use this hand for safety if you feel better. I'm going to use it for you guys. My inside leg is my pivot leg. So I'm going to start pivoting, trying to reach out with this leg, pointing my toes. And once I become on balance, I'm going to squat so that I can step on the other leg. So you really want a nice pelvis tilt. Imagine you're having water in your pelvis and you want to pour it out. So hand up. Push the pole down into the floor using both shoulder blades. You want to slide them down. And squat. We're going to try the other side together. So hand up, inside and up. I'm standing on my inside leg. I'm pressing the pole down into the floor, reaching out, tilting my pelvis, and stepping onto my other leg. So that you don't lose balance when you step onto your outside leg, your energy is going to be sent away from the pole when you turn. When you step on your outside leg, you want to push all that energy up. So I'm standing 1 foot away from the pole, pivoting, sending my energy out and up, catching with my abs. Okay, this is a beginner version. It's really a squat version of the rodeo spin. Now, I want to show you a nice version. It's not so harder. It looks harder than it is. I'm gonna maybe step a little more in. So, not quite 1 foot away, but I can be a little more in. Well, harder you'll be, faster you'll spin. So we're gonna start slower. And I want to reach all the way up with this inside hand. Still gonna pivot on my outside hand to create the movement, but on my inside leg to create the movement, but my outside hand is going to reach up, okay? And I'm going to arch. So let's move down to the floor to see what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm going to squeeze my buttocks to lift my leg. So I want to push my leg away and lift them. and also my hand. Okay, that's a movement in fitness that's called the Superman. We're gonna do it on the pole now. So, same thing. I wanna squeeze the glutes so that I can lift my leg, keeping them long, okay? Inside and up, pivot, reach, and turn. Look at my hand, it's stay straight. So I'm not trying to pull using my bicep. I'm pulling, I'm gonna show you better on the pole. I'm pulling using that movement, okay, sliding down my shoulder blades. So, and up, boom, see? I'm pulling using my shoulder blade. I'm trying to pull down and up. Your knees, be very careful. Maybe you want to film yourself to see your knees, but you want to extend the knees and point the toes, okay? So that your legs are nice. So I'm really extending my knees, pointing my toes so I don't look like this. I extend, and then I can just reach around to step out of the spin. See, I'm on my outside leg. Just as well as when I do the squat rodeo. Let's try the other side. Inside hand up, reaching out, pivoting on my inside hand, all the way up, boom, and out on my outside leg. Here you go.